be, everything should be started. I can hear myself. I don't want to hear myself, so let me write test. Let me see if yeah, chat is perfectly linked. Let me start PyCharm. Yeah, PyCharm also shows up. Now, what is up next? Let me see. Yeah, I need to set up everything as I want. Not this one. I need to manage the stream. And yeah. Yeah, hello to the, I need to put that away. Not that, that. Hello, ho, ho, yeah, welcome to another stream. I already said that and my mic is a little bit far away, now it's much better. Welcome to another stream. I will add some synthwaves so that you kind of are able to track everything. I for myself need to track that need to write that I'm streaming. So please have a little bit of patience until I'm fully capable, and until that okay, it's on private. Now it should be visible. There we go. Yeah, welcome to the stream. Now for everyone who joined on YouTube, also welcome to the stream. And yeah, what's up today? Maybe, not maybe, we'll do some game development, we will do some pandas, we will do whatever you want, just write it in the chat. Any questions, write them also in the chat. I will, for myself, I will. So yeah, 1 second. Write them in the chat. Twitch, the Twitch chat is the one you will see. On screen. Let's make this smaller. Put that to the bottom, yeah. If you see anything, it's stream on Twitch. But yeah. Please a little bit of patience. I am asking for a lot of patience, but you will, because I need to add everything to my pool, so yeah, that everything is fully visible. And for that, need to be, yeah. I need to have everything set up correctly. And yeah. So please don't mind. And yeah, please don't mind that I'm just handling everything. I think test in the chat on YouTube. Yeah, and I should be online on YouTube. I should be online on Twitch as well. If the code is too small, also write it in the chat. Otherwise, yes. I would say let's start with coding in Pygame. So first of all, freezing hell. Open. Here's freezing hell. So we don't need this one. We need another one. Now you see entire, yeah, this one. And yeah, chat info should still be visible. Should still be visible. Should still be visible. Now it's visible. Okay. I will, by the way, what is covered by the chat message will now be covered by the console, so it's not as bad as it sounds. Okay. So next step, I need to post that I'm streaming. One second, I'm streaming. Hello, Whiskey. Yeah, yes, I'm back, finally. Great to see you, buddy. Yeah, a long time ago. But I'm back to stream. Made a new game, by the way, I will show you immediately. So, hang on. But yeah, I'm back. Yeah, I kind of moved to Twitch some time ago, but now I'm multi-streaming. So you see me on Twitch and on also on Say It, also on the other one at the same time. So yeah. Yeah, immediately I will just set everything up so I know everyone knows on social media that I'm streaming. 1 second. But yeah, it will happen. Oh no, I will show you now because I also need the game. This is, can you see it? No, you can't see it, but I will add it to the, This is a game. Made every asset by myself. You are playing as a demon, raiding human villages. This will be an NPC which added dialogue later. This is a mansion, kind of your hideout. For example, you can, yeah, this door is always locked. Here's a dialogue you can skip. I made a dialogue system, a cutscene system. Now you can enter the portal and yeah, here you, oh, there was a mistake. Yeah, also I did lightning in this one. So can show you some cool stuff, but there's a buggy villain or buggy enemy. Because it is in the daddy long legs, pretty simple. Die timer. Self point die timer equals 2. This should fix it. Now again. Yeah, added a lightning system. Always keeping track of the frame rate because yeah, lightning system can add severe damage to. Yeah, here are spiders. They have a new death animation. Here archers are attacking. I track the direction of the archers that they aim in the right angle. Here you can see. And yeah. Also, yeah, and the villages are procedural generated. If you walk through the levels itself are procedural generated as well. The trees are generated always with different color. Here's another village. And you can rate these villages. Later they will drop items. There will be boss fights. Maybe I will speed up. Then when you have this sign here, this, I guess the right name was signpost. Yeah, you get to the next level, and I need to speed this one up. Now you will get an overview of the level. But yeah, this is too slow. This one needs to be a little bit down. Yeah, and I added these daddy long legs. They are not looking good. I mean, they are fast, what is pretty good, but I don't like the design. I have to add. But the small spiders are pretty cool. And also pretty cool are these cocoons. 1 second. Because you see a spider is emerging when I destroy these. Which also was not that easy to code. Yeah, during the last half year, I kind of improved a lot on certain techniques. So yeah, got a little bit better. And yeah. But yeah, the game for itself, it works pretty good. But yeah, there's much improvement. And what I'm working now, or what I'm trying to improve now, is the daddy long legs. The pictures of the daddy long legs. Because yeah, here, this is by the way the corpse. I didn't include a picture for the corpse. The spiders itself, they have a corpse picture. As you can see here, they even have a death animation. When I destroy another cocoon, here you can see spider is emerging, and then spider is dying. Okay, I have to get back to full size. I added these menu buttons, by the way. Here you can upgrade your character after you're collecting these shards, the little blobs that are heading towards you. And here you can have actually a little bit of overview over your character. Doesn't look good, but yeah, this is the inventory, which is, I have to work as well on the inventory. Adjust things, yeah. Yeah, it's more about a demon that has some depth with a higher demon and is now trying to collect souls to pay depth, because souls kind of work in the underworld as a kind of currency, and yeah, he has to pay his debts, but living kind of in a story will revolve around certain characters and boss fights that's happened in kind of the hell and also at at the multiverse, because you are, yeah, with the portal you are visiting multiverses, raiding and killing the inhabitants, collecting the souls, and with the soul shards you collect you can upgrade your character, or you can pay your debt, or maybe get strong enough to even overcome your the the demon you are in depth with, and fighting it. Kind of, that's the idea behind it. But yeah, it will form when I'm developing more. It will form by itself. But yeah, that's overall the plan I have. Okay. So, what's up next? I have some water here. I will get myself some water, which I prepared here. Or can, because I'm not used to talk that much anymore. So I have to get back to talk, or to learn how to talk for such a long period. And whenever you want, I wanted to do maybe some. What I wanted to do maybe were some algorithms with a bubble sort, which I will use in Python. So stuff with bubble sort, and some sorting algorithms, just so that you kind of to learn how algorithms works in general, more like the basic stuff, which is kind of cool because you don't have to need, or you don't need that big of a knowledge in Python to understand, because you only need to know what is a while loop and all sorts of things, but not the entire Python. But I would start with some game development, would work on my game, and then I would switch, depends on the polls I'm doing, yeah, maybe switch to some game development. Yeah, but first I wanted to make a cool screenshot for the game. Yeah, and the daddy long legs, you can see it by yourself. I actually didn't look up how the big spiders here are walking or moving. So I maybe need, yeah, that's kind of the time. Yeah. So let me see. How does Daddy Longlegs actually look? I guess it's more like a spider with, by the way, I should post the game so you have something to see while I'm talking. More like, yeah, it's a spider with a little corpse and long legs. That's why it's called Daddy Long Legs, not Daddy Short Legs. But yeah, how does it actually move? I guess I need to do an image that actually has some is wider, and the actual rectangle, the hit box, should be smaller. So I have to make the hitbox smaller, and the rectangle which represents the picture itself, yeah, should be larger. Now I'm kind of looking up. I had a picture of a daddy long leg. I'm pretty sure I had one. But kind of the body doesn't look that bad. Maybe I show you the image I'm using. I'm doing some water. Can you see GIMP? Not now, so I will add it. So this is the original picture. And I will try to at least get the body. New one. This is, by the way, 60 to 60. And height should be 60, but width should be 100. Add alpha channel, delete. And yeah, this is the body in the middle. Let's see. Nothing new in the chat. Oh, and the chat on Twitch is not visible on screen, but now it should be. Okay. Now what? I'm again looking at the picture. Daddy long leg moving. Okay. This was an ad, sorry. Yeah. Looks kind of like a spider which is moving. Wow, yeah. What a wonder. What did you maybe expect? So. Guess I will move it more in the middle. No. Let me look at daddy long legs. This is not daddy long legs, okay. First of all, let's add some more light ones, which are the front. The front legs, yeah. Oh, come on. That's sometimes a little bit annoying on GIMP that you limited, or has some limited space, like here. What is the yellow one? The yellow frame here. Perfect. So yeah, now we can add it a little bit, make it a little bit higher. Again. Deal will be that it will, legs will get lighter or darker, I guess. Darker when we go backwards. So now next legs. It looks more like an insect to me, but there are 4 more legs to go. Now we come to the highest leg. Needs to be even darker, 1 step. So it's clearly distinguishable. Yeah, looks more realistic. If you have arachnophobia or arachnophobia, however you want to call it, it's not good if you have this kind of phobia. Hope you're not watching the stream, this is kind of phobia. Otherwise, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Forgive me. Okay, I will add some music. I wanted to do it all the time. Now let's add some synthwave. Yes, it's an ad. 1 second. Here we go. This can be our little big background music. So let me look again. This looks better in my opinion. I mean, it's like the brother of the small spider or the big brother of the small spider. Kind of like that. Yeah, I need to save this. Let's call it Daddy Longleg version 2. But I want to add a little bit more detail, because like this, it looks boring. For example, we could here we could add some detail. Yeah, let's now again export it, overwrite it. And now comes the more difficult part. Got this moving. One leg to the front. Yeah, one leg to the front to the front. Now this leg will be on the left, more on the left. This will be a little bit wider. And that should be enough. For picture number 2. Then I would say, oh no, I wouldn't do that. Or would I? Would I? Okay. nothing new on Twitch. No, there's nothing new. Okay. So this will move back. This will also move kind of back, but now this one will move forward, even more forward. And this leg will now be the one. Gets itself from behind. Let's try it out. Only 3 pictures, but we can add a few more soon. Move this aside. And yeah, now let's see if the if the animation goes well or if it still looks bad. It's kind of the interesting part now. Where did I save it? Let's close the game. Let's switch the stream back to game development because now we are, again working on the game. And I'm really curious if this one works out. So let's see, where was it? Freezing hell. First, let's copy. Where did I copy the pictures? I guess it was player mentioned grasslands, not here. Enemy, animal, spider. Let's delete the old ones. Or let's not delete the old ones. Here are the pictures. So we need to just change the string. Let's see. Please look better. Yeah, they look better, but they are too fast. And the body should still move. It looks much better with the smaller spiders. It doesn't look that organic. I mean, the image itself works decently. but the overall execution is bad, if you get what I'm referring to. Again, I could show you. But yeah, much better than the original one. I guess the only thing that is missing is that it maybe needs a little bit more movement in the longer legs and a little bit of movement in the body. That's maybe all. Yeah, I guess that's it. So let's do that. Now back to GIMP. Look up in the chat, nothing new, nothing relevant. So yeah. Now I misclicked. That was not part of the plan, but anyways. If I show you the picture, if I maybe before we do that, let's change the speed, because the speed is a little bit too high. Equals 5. What happens if we do to 2? Yeah, it's not, it doesn't have to do with the speed, it's at the it just looks dead. And not in a positive way, but in a negative way. So yeah, kind of fix that. Easy. Should be easy to fix. First, let's open all these pictures. That's the way you should see it. Or should be able to see it. Maybe after a short break. Oh, I will make a break in an hour. So let's enlarge this. We don't need this. I'll get them at 300%. color. One color. One color. One color. No, I don't want to color the entire picture. It's called version 4. Now let's do another version where the body also moves. Now let's try how it looks like. I mean, now we have at least 5 pictures where the long leg is moving. Where our friend the long leg is moving. The long leg. Okay, now to the game. You can see it. Let's see, anyone posted anything? No, nothing new in the chat. Okay. Okay, yeah, I think we can make it a little bit quicker now. Yeah, also needs a die animation like the small spiders, but that should be doable. Okay. Hello for everyone who is new to the stream. Yeah, just managed to include a daddy long leg enemy type that doesn't look good. But yeah, at least I tried to implement a daddy long leg enemy type. Now I must see what kind of is essential to the daddy long leg enemy is that he shouldn't attack as a spider soldier, but he should throw with cobwebs. And that's the thing we are creating now. As you can see here. Or do I make a short break? Yes, I guess I will make a short break. Did I hit? No, I didn't hit the 1 hour mark yet. Okay, I will draw the projectiles. So yeah. Now let's do this. Projectile will be round. Like this. Now you can hear the background music better. And yeah, this will be the projectile. Oh, no, this will be the projectile. And now we are adding some like cobwebs. And now some additional layers. And yeah, the ends get darker. Looks like a solid projectile. It doesn't has to look that good because it will be pretty small in the actual game. So let's say daddy projectile. And daddy projectile. What will, yeah, let's export it that. Now let's try to implement it in the game. Let's copy it in our resource folder, but not at the, this by the way can now completely delete it because we don't need it anymore. Now here we have a projectile, but no, not here. Projectiles. Here. Now how do I make the projectile that it looks like it's actually hitting? Or actually wandering? around. That's what I'm asking at the moment. The good thing is, I already made a similar type. I can't let the spider or the daddy longneck inherited from the, or use it as a subclass. Just based on the simple fact that there is a lot of that the daddy longleg has not in common with the archer. But overall, let me first look at the humans. There we have the human archer. No, this one could be relevant. So yeah, we don't need the enemy type now, but the spider type. No, this is a player. I was wondering why it was so big. Okay. Then we add this one. Copy path reference, path from content root. Daddy projectile. Eigin point image point load. No. This one. Hello, by the way, to anyone who joined. Just write down what you need, what you want to ask, if you want to ask anything. If you wanna ask everything. Sorry, I need to Google something. I will be... By the way, I will make a short break. How long? I guess 10 minutes should do it. Yeah. Yeah, 10 minutes until 27. What is a cool image we can do as the background? Maybe back in 10 minutes. See you. Okay, I'm half back, half not back. So half baked, half not baked. No, I mean half back, half of me is eating. So worry. And yeah, hello by the way to DJ Jonas. DJJ Jonas, I'm sorry. And yes, yeah, the big sign here needs to vanish. Got myself something to eat. Don't wonder if you hear any eating noises, but if it's too heavy, I will simply mute my mic. And what's up next, by the way, is we need to do the projectile. We call it level altering projectile. Inherited from projectile like this one. It's a class, of course. And sorry. Yeah, welcome to everyone back. Welcome to everyone back. What's wrong with me? It seems a lot. Of course it has X and Y. What am I implementing now? You see, if I start the game, go downstairs. Oh, there's a new enemy type and I want them to add a new projectile, but at the moment it needs the ability to shoot. Okay. kind of trying to understand my old code. Yeah, kind of strange, but yeah, I still need to get what I'm doing. Okay, so what's up next? Now let's see death damage. We need to override this. Oh no, I will override cell dev kill and say superpoint kill, but before we do that, self point level equals floors point at this will be implemented later, because then I want to add a net or kind of a floor to the actual level floor that slows the player down, if you know what I mean. This is a great idea. Not implemented yet, but great idea. This is a cool idea. I will implement this. You know? This will be implemented. Thank you. I hope it's okay if I steal your idea, but that's great and not that hard to implement. I already made everything. The class name is level altering projectile, which will kind of have influence at the level, because any other thing, like adding a lava sea, adding acid, or adding, in this case, adding cobweb, and the cobweb will simply slow the player down. Yeah, I'm stealing this. Okay. Until I do that, where's the damage point? Doesn't do that much damage. Now let's get back to humans, because we need to shoot. We need to import math again, and I'm always It sounds like I'm referring to crystal meth, but I mean not the crystal, rather the subject. Okay. Okay. Ads need to be done. Import base files point. Sprites point projectile as proe. Yeah, kind of as proe. Sorry, a little bit cringy. But who doesn't like cringe? What an odd thing to say, who doesn't like cringe? And hello to everyone who joined. Yeah. Now let's... I tried. Okay. This is the game. Will it work? Let's enter the portal and... Yeah. Okay, non-type object has no attribute. HP. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. Should be doable. Should be solvable. So let's see where this game start. Okay, work. Enemies. Enemy point. Shoot self player. Okay. Okay. So shoot. Okay. Okay, now reload. Shoot level player. am I stupid? I can simply add it here. How does it work with the humans? Wait, if I... What comment is this one? Oh, they are shooting, perfect. And the FPS doesn't drop, which is also good. What happens if I simply try to tank the projectiles? Yeah, I simply die, which is good. Okay. Okay, okay. Thank you. Which one looks creepier? The one with the smaller black one or the larger ones? Oh, okay. Let me see. Yeah, it's do you know this spiders with bigger legs? They are kind of, yeah, usually they don't have human size, they have smaller, but as a kid I always was scared of them. So that's why I try to implement them. But yeah, it has pretty big legs. That's for sure. So what I'm going to do now? Self-reload. Yeah, I wanted it to actually inherit from... Oh, where are the projectiles? Hello, projectiles, where are you? There are you. Level equals none. And self point level equals level. And spider self point reload. No, not here. By the way, I should maybe decrease the HP of the projectiles because they are too long ranged. Yeah, should do that. No. No. Yeah, now they don't have the range. What I'm asking myself, how will this work with level? Oh, is it randomized level here? With increased darkness. Let's try it out. Will it get laggy? Not yet. No, not at all. No frame rate drop, which is good. Yeah, the light sources are killing the frame rate. Here you can see with one light source he doesn't have problems at all, but if I'm switching now to the village here, okay, they have not that much light source, so this should be handleable as well. Okay. Yeah, that is in later. I will implement this later. I already kind of implemented it. It's a lightning system or the fog system, which is pretty cool because you can't. It makes the game kind of a little bit creepy because you can't see what's in the fog. Or can you? Let me see. Is there any visibility in the fog? I guess close to nothing. No, you can't see anything in the fog. This can be pretty creepy if you describe this, and okay, this was not the, but you describe this, and the spiders are coming out of nowhere. This could be kind of creepy. Yeah, fog system, which can also, I'm thinking about, blinded could also be implemented, but the problem is that the fog system, I will add fog dynamically if the game has the resources. Larger levels can't display fog without a significant drop of the frame rate. So I can only include fog at smaller levels, and then I will give a bonus of the charts and currency a player gets when he kind of solved the level, because it increases the difficulty. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now let's I want the where is calculate movement of the level? Calculate NPCs here. Here, calculate enemy, that's it. Equals hostile. If not enemy point long range. Now I want to see, will this could already cause a bug or an error. I knew it. Daddy long legs has no it has. Am I stupid? Long okay, this one. Level long range again. Okay. Okay. Now comes the big part, because now we are looking at obstacle. And we have something new, which is called def def effect floor inheritance from not def, I'm stupid. Class effect floor. Can floor, how is floor? Point trigger on collision this will be important for what we do next. Second, I will eat my a second cheese curd. Do 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 do. Because I got the second one. Tastes awful like always. If sorry, I hit my phone. No, not my phone, my input device. A cheese curd, which is what I'm always eating before going to bed, or at least my last meal because before sleeping, and that it's got a good amount of protein, but yeah, tastes really awful. And with really awful, I mean disgustingly awful. But yeah, you're doing it for the proteins. Everything for, yeah, the proteins. And what's also good is it's kind of keeps you, yeah, full, gives you the feeling of being satisfied with food, that you don't need to eat anything else. Oh, I can hit it. The German word is Magerquark. Could add it as an item. Yeah, I'm always eating this. Oh yes, I'm stupid. Yeah, it's really similar, but has no sugar, no fat, just pure protein. Pure, pure, pure protein. It's a bomb. I mean, what like Breaking Bad? It was with a purity. Even if it's blue, it's a bomb. Even it's. Yeah, I kind of remember Breaking Bad. Even if it's blue, it's a bomb. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Pass. Yeah, I will override this one. Class. Oh, what's the issue? Sorry? What's the... Super? No, here is no... Why is there this... What did I misclick? No. Why is he... Something expect... Ah, here it is missing, okay. That was... Thing on the chat. But yeah, it tastes like... bad yogurt. Talking more about my cheese curds than actual coding. But I will switch back to coding soon. Very soon. Need more ethane. Okay, finally. Effect floor was the name, I forgot it. Effect floor. Equals true. Image is what we will generate now. Will be a simple 2020 image of a cobweb. Yeah, let's make this quick. Let's make this quick. So show you GIMP. Where's GIMP? GIMP, where are you? This is not GIMP. GIMP. Why did you leave me? Don't leave me. There you are. (2020). Oh, it's a little bit low. Let's make 41. Yeah, this should do it. Oh, I need a picture of a cobweb because my ability, and hello to everyone who joined, I have to admit my ability to draw up for my mind is like 0. And I want the cobweb to be at least a little bit realistic because some degree. At least to some degree, yeah. Need to move my phone a little bit more in mouse, so cobweb. Pixel art, pixel art. The good thing about a cobweb, it doesn't have to be drawn that good, because actually it looks more realistic if it is not made that clean, because real life cobwebs also are not that symmetrical, so I guess that it looks a little bit too much like a cube. Let's try it again. And now let's try it again and again and again and again and again and again. So, how much should it have? What's the last price? What's the last price? Yeah, looks more like a cobweb. Now let's play a little bit with the colors. Pink, yellow, blue, just bring me more of this. Whatever, man, just bringing me that. Okay, let's try it with this. Because we spent the rest of the before we spend the rest of the stream just drawing cobwebs. Would not be the best choice. Okay, move that aside. Projectiles, recolor. I will get it to projectiles because it's too much related to it. Self point, level point, floors point, add. From sprites point, non-movable point, import, how was it again? Cobweb at cobweb x equals self point x, y equals self point y, which equals 40, equals 40. Anything else? Humans. Yeah, I didn't add cobweb yet. We'll do this now. Cobweb equals pygame point image point load equals image equals cobweb. Are you kidding me? Come on. Please no. Please. That would be a total disappointment. Yeah, that's kind of a mistake. But why now? Of course it has. Are you a little bit stupid? Level. Class level. Maybe here? Okay, but why? You know what? Import sprites point projector. Point other grassland sprites. GLS. Even if it makes no sense at all. GLS point. Oh, come on. So I can't import that at all. Why? What's the freaking issue? What's the freaking issue? Please tell me. I'm 6.9. No, not no. I kind of messed something up. Can't even tell you what exactly. But I can't import if I import this one, Parchin. Okay. Circular import. Yeah. No, I need to. This happens to me really seldomly. Okay. Maybe I need to move it to another file. Maybe that will solve the issue. Yeah, I guess I need to add level equals, let's do it again, level equals none, and let me see GLS. Import sprites point, non-movable point grasslands as GLS, and now let's see. Then I have another idea how to handle this. Obstacle effect floor level. Yeah, I've got another idea. Call it I'm thinking add then I have to do it like this. spider. Import come on, here, also here. No. Here. It was, I guess, in... Yeah, I forgot to exclude it. Yeah, now it is doable. Now let's get to grassland sprites. To obstacle. To... when am I... to spider. Okay, this is possible at least. From sprites for numpy, other grassland, import, cobweb. Point. Level altering projectile. Level equals level. Not float. Oh. Okay, it was floor. Okay, floor equals cobweb. X equals sub equals this does not work like this. Because because of issues. Because of things and stuff and things and stuff and things and more things and stuff and things and stuff and things. not that easy. But I won't give up yet. I got water and time. And even more water. Until I drown. Okay, I won't drown in water. Because I only have a small can. Oh. Still, it says never gonna give you up. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give you up. I'm totally stupid. Self point floor point x equals self point x. Point floor point y equals self point y. And now I can do it. Height equals 40. Now let's see if this works. Add an argument level. Okay. Now we have something to work with again, so at least not the same problem than when we started. That's something. You have to always look up the bright side of life. And yeah, that's... So where's the issue? Level point. Level equals none. Why is this unexpected? Maybe I put it into the wrong bracket. Okay, there's the issue. Has to be there. Look at that. It's not... Okay, it does not work perfectly, but... Do they vanish? Not really. They should vanish. But at least there is no frame rate to drop yet. Okay, but... Why is he adding the floor? I get it. Yeah, there's a main issue with how I handle projectiles, but maybe we can solve this even tonight. Shouldn't be that hard to handle. Let's calculate in the level here. Now projectiles. Build projectiles. Else self point kill. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, now because they don't get killed. But we can also handle this. Yeah, kind of. I fixed the error not entirely, but to some degrees. Now now thinking. Yeah, the frame rate drops now. How is it? At 8. Now let's see if I can, first of all, obstacle effect floor. Yeah, this logic will work better. Split floors. As prone. How was it again? Trigger on collision. OBS point trigger. Why I had trigger on collision. Trigger on collision false. And brick bottom. Brick bottom. Floating obstacle. Oh, it's not. So yeah, self point. Self point. Trigger on collision equals false. Player, okay. Player. Player. Now I have to go to the game function. No. Action rectangle. Self point player. Okay, they still don't die. Maybe they got too much HP. So yeah, too much HP I get. I guess. Unique views. guess. Okay, now what could be the issue? The issue. Oh, you can't hear the synthwave. Sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. It's a bit flaws. Level trigger. Trigger. Okay. Ah, now it works. As you can see, they only live for a short amount of time. And let's see if this drops the frame rate. Let's just wait a little bit. They only live for a short amount of time. And then they get killed. Yeah, I didn't realize, also didn't realize I turned the music off. I kind of forgot that. Frame rate drop, not at all. Okay, so now we get the lifespan. If they don't live forever, everything is fine. Okay. And self point HP equals, let's say 90, 3 seconds. Now let's see the trigger. Because now the fun parts kind of begins. And thanks for the subscriber who recently subscribed. Someone subscribed recently. Thank you very much. Really cool. And thanks for the follow, Delta Quinn. Yeah, thank you really much for the follow. Della Quinn, I'm sorry, Della Quinn. Okay, now back to the co-op game level. Obstacle. Now we override this one, but yeah, save point collide rectangle, save point player point speed equals 1. I mean player point speed. Save point unfiltered. Unfiltered speed like this. Ah, this can be tricky. This can be tricky. More tricky than I thought. And now I got 670, even one more subscriber at YouTube. Perfect. Okay. Sorry. Now let's see. So it needs to slow down the speed, but the thing is, I have an idea. Spider game. And self point and trigger equals false. And grassland sprites. Equals 2 if self point trigger untriggered equals false. Now let's see if okay, unfiltered. Unfiltered speed equals self point speed. Now let's see if the slowdown works. Not at all. Doesn't slow me down by any means. Okay. Do you plan to make any new tutorial video for YouTube? Yes, I've got plenty of new ideas I made during coding. For example, if you see the background of this game, I made a script and I want to make a tutorial how to make these procedural generated backgrounds or to add these colorful trees, because you see each level the trees look different. And yeah, wanna try this, and I want to make a tutorial around this, or how I made the script, how it can be obtained, or how it can made available for everyone. Sounds so German. Everyone. Yeah. Now let's even see. Cobweb. Where is it? Ah, here, grasslands. It's cobweb. Let's again sell if self point rectangle collide. Ah, here we go. 40-40. Cause oh no, it was already okay. Player. Print hey. first of all, if I'm debugging like this, okay, I get a high, but not a hey. Which means, oh, come on, this function here is not triggered at all. Okay. But I still want to solve this before I go to bed. So how can we solve this? Let's see if we get here. Because by any means this should work. Yeah, okay. So it's a rectangle to collide. Which I don't understand because get rectangle. Dev update rectangle. Oh, it also has a get rectangle, game, grassland sprites. Self point, get rectangle. This could trigger it. Yeah, there we go. Now I'm slowed. Slowed down. Perfect. Okay, after a few, won't be glittered anymore. Guess it has something to do with the action rectangle. because here it is perfectly blitted. Here we are not in the... Okay, that's interesting. I see not blitting here, but here. Looks like a new issue. Like a new issue. Forget it. Forget about it. What could it be that... Let's find it out. Okay, so they are able to shoot here. Okay. But here, yeah, here we are out of range, but if we move back... By the way, I have minus 783 life. Yeah, if we... Why does this happen? It has nothing to do with the... You know, with the resources of Pygame. Really nothing. So it just has is kind of related to other things. But what? Game level. Delete. I have another idea why. Because he doesn't calculate the new floor X and Y. Yeah, kind of hard to explain. Everyone thinks what the hell. Ooh, I wanted to say the F word, but don't wanna get a strike. But what's actually hell? Yeah, because we have this action rectangle. I have an idea how to solve this. Split floor. Or OBS point here again. Trigger on collision. Not collision. I will simply. Yeah, my vision itself is not that good anymore. No, I should have fixed it, yeah. Yeah, now there are no limits anymore. Yeah, now it works perfectly fine. Okay, there we go. I will make a recording of this. Okay, we call him ended. Now what's this? Yeah, thank you. And yeah, I guess it's time to say goodbye. Accomplished a lot tonight. But now I guess it's time to move to my bed, get some sleep, get to work tomorrow. And then, hopefully, if I get the time again, we see us tomorrow at night. Apart from that, I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time. Whatever time there is in your country. See you. Bye bye. Oh. Things, so let's see if. Okay. Finally, I have to be a man of my word, so yeah, good night everyone. See you hopefully tomorrow. Of this. Of this. Oops.